In this tutorial, I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes talking about the yield function in Microsoft Excel, which returns yield on a security that pays periodic interest. To use this function, there are a few arguments that are required, being the settlement, which is when the security is purchased, the maturity, so when the security expires, the annualized interest rate of the security, the price per $100 face value, the redemption per $100 face value, and the frequency that corresponds to the number of payments in a year. So this example is going to be biannual. To use this function, you do equals yield, open parentheses, and the first argument is the settlement, so the security purchase time. Next, maturity, so when the security expires. Rate, annualized interest rate of 5%. A price being $98, and the redemption value of $100 per each $100, and frequency, so 1 being annual, 2 semi-annual, and 4 quarterly. I'm just going to type 2 as it is semi-annual. And the last argument, which is optional, as you can tell by how it's in brackets, but it's basis, which allows you to have more flexibility over how the interest piece is calculated. And if I close parentheses, I can see based on this, the security has 7.11% return. But you can kind of mess around with these different arguments to see how it would impact the security price or yield. So for example, if my rate was not 5% but 4.5%, in this example, it would be 6.61%. And if the frequency was not biannually but quarterly, then yield would be 6.59%. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.